Have you ever spent several minutes adding numbers with a calculator? What if Excel could do the same job instantly with just one formula? In this part, you'll learn the two functions that almost every Excel user relies on every single day: sum and average. The sum function is the first function that every Excel beginner should learn. Its purpose is simple. It adds numbers together quickly and accurately. Whether you're calculating sales, expenses, profits, or monthly totals, sum allows you to perform calculations in seconds instead of adding numbers manually. It is one of the most frequently used functions in Microsoft Excel. The most common way to use sum is by selecting a continuous range of cells. For example, the formula equals sum, open parenthesis, A1 colon A10, close parenthesis, tells Excel to add every value from cell A1 through A10. Instead of writing each cell individually, Excel performs the entire calculation with a single formula, making your work faster and much more efficient. Sometimes the numbers you need are not located next to each other. In that case, you can list individual cell references separated by commas. For example, equals sum, open parenthesis, A1, B3, C7, close parenthesis, adds only those three specific cells. This gives you complete flexibility when your data is spread across different parts of the worksheet. Sum can also calculate multiple ranges at the same time. For example, equals sum, open parenthesis, A1 colon A5, C1 colon C5, close parenthesis, tells Excel to calculate both ranges together and return one final total. This is especially useful when your worksheet contains related data stored in different columns.
You don't always have to type the sum function yourself. Excel provides a convenient shortcut that automatically inserts the formula for you. Simply select the cells you want to total and press Alt plus equals. Excel instantly creates the sum formula, saving time and reducing typing mistakes. This shortcut is widely used by Excel professionals because it is fast, accurate, and easy to remember.
The average function calculates the arithmetic mean of a group of numbers automatically. Instead of adding all the values yourself and dividing by the total count, Excel performs both steps instantly. For example, if 5 students scored 80, 75, 90, 85, and 70, the formula average B2 colon B6 returns a result of 80 in just one calculation. There is one important detail you should always remember when using the average function. Excel automatically ignores empty cells, but it does include cells that contain the value 0. Although an empty cell and a 0 may look similar, Excel treats them very differently. Understanding this behavior helps you avoid incorrect averages and makes your calculations much more reliable. Excellent work! You now know how to use the sum function to add numbers and the average function to calculate the mean automatically. In the next parts, you'll learn how to count cells using count, count A, and count blank, and then discover one of the most important Excel concepts, relative and absolute references using the $sign. Continue with Part 3 and Part 4 to complete Lesson 3 and master the foundations of Excel formulas.